stop there. Get gear 1. Now, 2 reasons for stopping there. Where do you think these 2 are going? Back into it, aren't they?
Yeah.
So where's the bin wagon going to go?
Towards.
She's going to go back over there, isn't she? So, let's go forward now. Let's see what she does. Just creep. Or is she going down there? I don't think she knows herself. To get round her. Nope. Stop again. I think she's going down there.
Yeah. She's following you.
Yeah. So let's keep going forward. But see how we helped out by stopping there.
Yeah.
Let's keep it going now.
Okay.
Even so, it would have given her space to pull back out and go down there, wouldn't it? Does that make sense, love? Not
Yeah.
getting too close.